Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at the Series 7 Apple Watch, which is waterproof, and how you turn on the water lock mode. So if you are engaging in water activities, you can either do this beforehand. If you don't, your watch will do this automatically for you as well. So to access it, go ahead and swipe up. You're going to keep swiping up till you see this water droplet icon. I'm going to go ahead and tap it. As soon as I tap it, you'll see it did turn blue, and now you can see this little droplet that displays at the top. If I want to turn off the water lock, you just turn the crown right here. And it does give you a message. It says turn digital crown to eject water. So when you turn that crown, you heard a series of beeps, and what this does is it is actually ejecting water from your watch, and those sounds are so that any water that may have gotten into the speakers is then ejected out of your watch. So thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful.